Fairfax County government allows me to have a flexible schedule that I need for my busy life. You ready?
Get some food. Work-life balance is important to me, and Fairfax County helps me achieve that.
As a Fairfax County employee, I was able to complete my business leadership certificate through NOVA. This allowed me to be able to join the Fridays Only program and complete my associate's degree while working. My tuition was even covered through the tuition assistance program. The work flexibility allows me to take care of my family and complete my education.
What do all these people have in common? They all work for Fairfax County, and you can too. Establish yourself in a career in a variety of fields and take advantage of the many incentives the county offers. Mentoring programs, flexible work schedules, telework, flex time, live well opportunities and events, young professionals group, paid family leave, tuition reimbursement, online classes and professional development opportunities, and career development options.
I've been with the Park Authority 5 years. I started as a seasonal lifeguard and quickly advanced to higher positions within the agency. I was recently promoted to a full-time position that I really enjoy. This will lead to many more opportunities for me in my future with Fairfax County.
Come and explore everything Fairfax County has to offer and unleash the potential within yourself as a Fairfax County employee.